Hey folks, John here with SoCal Outdoor Adventure. It's great to be back with you. And today we are going to be doing a 4-part video series of a brand new bushcraft setup, along with a brand new bushcraft belt that I basically created. So I'm really excited to show you guys this new belt and some of the features that I've added to it. So we're going to start off this video first off with the bushcraft belt, followed by the actual the water carry system, as well as the haversack. And the fourth and final video, we'll talk about how all these components are going to be utilized together. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Take care. So this is my brand new leather belt kit system that I have set up here. This is my new bushcraft belt kit system. I want to introduce you guys. We're going to go from left to right. So starting from the left hand side, we do have a folding knife. This is going to be my folding saw. This is a Silky Pocket Boy. I absolutely love this saw. Very nice saw, 90-degree spine, good for striking a ferro rod. Cuts wood very, very well. Next piece of kit I have is going to be my water belt kit, or my stove kit. So on the inside of this I have 2 stoves. I've got an alcohol stove with some alcohol fuel, and then I've also got a butane stove. This is the Soto butane stove, as well as a canister of butane. I'm going to leave these out because I'm going to use this to make some coffee and some breakfast in a little bit here. Next, on the right hand side of the belt, I do have a hatchet. This is the Charade Skax 2. Absolutely love this hatchet. It's got a ferro rod on the bottom. And I also have my Bear Grylls folding knife Pro by Gerber. Very nice folding knife. Does very well. Has a nice 90-degree spine, so it's perfect in case I need to strike a ferro rod. Next, I have my flashlight. I've got the ThruNite TN4A. Very great flashlight. Uses AA batteries. Next, I do have my Gerber. This is the Gerber strong arm. This is a full-tang knife. Very nice knife. I absolutely love this blade. It works very, very well. And also too, the sheath is also very nice too. The sheath is great because it works perfect for anybody who's right or lefty. So it will work for righties and lefties. And also too, I wanted to show you guys as well a couple of other blades that I do have that can work with this kit if I want to. First, I have the Becker BK7, and I'm still testing this knife out, so I'm not ready to do my review of this knife yet. But I'll definitely let you know what I think about this blade. Next, I've also got the Charade SCH F26. I haven't used this knife for quite a while, but I'm thinking I might include it in rotation, maybe. But it's got a nice, very nice belt loop. This is a Kydex belt loop, and it will fit easily on the belt, no problem. I would have to remove the Charade though, and the flashlight and my portable tool. What am I saying? My folding knife, in order for me to switch out the knives. Next, I also have the Mora Garberg belt sheath. Does fit really well. This is a very nice belt sheath, and it's also got a tech lock system. And then the other blade I also brought with me is my Becker BK16 in a Kydex sheath. And if you do want to use the tech lock on this particular belt here, what you're going to have to do is when you open the tech lock open, is remove the keepers, and this tech lock will fit very nicely on this belt. If you guys do want to see how this fits on this particular belt, let me know in the comments. Next, we're going to go talk about the back of the belt here. We do have a drop bag, which does allow me to carry tinder as well as wild edibles if I need to. Next, we have some fire starters. Yuko Stormproof matches, strikeable fire starter, and I've also got some mini Infernos by Self-Reliance Outfitters. Next, I have on the other side of the belt of the pocket, I do have my pocket bellows. Absolutely love this thing. Easy towels, these are phenomenal. And then I also have a Dorsey headlamp. I'll do a review on this one later on. In the front pouch right here, I do carry a pack of leather gloves, and I've also got a brand new set of ferro rods I'm looking forward to testing out. Actually, I do want to leave my gloves out because I'm going to need these to make some coffee and to make some food. And finally, in the main pouch, I do have my coffee kit. I do have my coffee kit for when I go hiking. This is the AeroPress Go emergency boo-boo kit. And I've also got some paracord for my tarp, or if I do carry a tarp, and also some more fire tinder, some Tender Quicks. And in the fourth and final video, I will show you guys exactly what this kit looks like when everything is put together. In the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Now get outside and have an adventure.